Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So firstly, let's open the camera app and let's change it to the video mode because we are in the standard photo one. So let's tap on the video. If you can see red color inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution option. So let's tap on it, and here we've got three different options connected to it. So on the 720p, which is currently applied, 1080p and 4K. So all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to tap on the option like to use. I will pick 4K, and as you can see we've got this information, which is more the icon changed slightly, so you can always check which resolution you've got, and basically from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.